Venice, a city that floats but never hurries. A place where streets shimmer and silence moves faster than footsteps. There are no cars here, only canals, and a boat that glides through them like time itself. The gondola is not just a boat, it's a soul, carved from tradition, balanced with purpose, pushed forward by rhythm. Venice moves in many forms, big boats, small boats, it doesn't matter. Tourists, locals, even businesses, they all depend on the water to move, to connect, to survive. And the gondoliers, some rowing from dawn to dusk, others resting, half asleep, waiting for the next voice that calls. In Venice, waiting is part of the work, and movement is a quiet ritual. Venice doesn't demand anything from you. It simply asks you to drift, to look closely, to slow down. Because in Venice, you don't travel to arrive, you travel to remember.